Shalom, shalom, guys. Hope you're doing good. So today I'm bringing to you a new made up recipe that I made with fusilli and grilled ham. So first, you're going to cook your pasta according to the package. But I personally like to add a tablespoon of oil and a pinch of salt so they don't stick together. So you're going to cook your fusilli according to the package. You strain and you reserve. After that, into a pan, you put a little bit of oil, you add your onion and your garlic and you caramelize them. After that, you're going to add your spices. Personally, I like to take the spices I have at home, but I'm gonna put everything in the description. After that, you add your tomato paste, your cooking cream, and then you reduce the heat. Otherwise, it's going to burn, and you don't want to burn sauce. It's gonna taste bad. Ugh. After that, you add your water and your cheese, the best part, and you let it melt slowly. Make sure that your heat is on low, otherwise it's going to burn again. After that, you take another pan, you put some butter, your garlic, and you cook it. After that, you add your corn, sweet corn, juicy, crunchy. Make sure that you don't burn it too. Again, don't burn anything, otherwise you're gonna mess up everything. After that, you add your ham. You can choose any ham you like. You can use turkey, you can use beef or pork, depends to you. You're gonna add your tomato and your green onions, and if you want you can add some more salt depending on your taste. Sorry, pile malas. And voila, it's ready. Bon appetit. Bye bye.